Welcome back to Youuchef Simple Dessert episode 2. In this video I'm going to show you how to make banana sorbet. So how do you make banana sorbet? You need bananas, a syrup and water. Yes, it's that simple.
Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you
So to make the banana sorbet, you have to make the syrup first. You will place sugar and water in a pot over medium heat and bring that to a boil, making sure that the sugar is dissolved. After that, you will place the banana sorbet and water in a blender and blend that up. Pour that into an ice cream churn and churn that until you have that sorbet consistency.